welcome back to my channel Manali Bhosle here. Today I have created this cut crease makeup party glam look. If you want to know how did I created this look, please keep on watching. Let's get started. So here first I'm going to start with my clean bare face. I'm going to start with using my primer over here on my nose area and my cheeks area. After this I am stepping towards the discoloration on my skin. To hide those imperfections, I am going to use the orange color corrective on my palette. I'm going to place it all over my dark circles and near my nose area and my mouth area. After this I am going to apply my foundation with my fingers all over my face. The shade which I am using over here is Natural Ivory. I am going to blend it out with my Damn Beauty blender. After this I am going to conceal my dark circles and highlight it on the same time on my forehead, nose area and my mouth area. I'm going to blend with the same beauty blender which I've used previously for my foundation. After blending out, I'm going to set my concealed area with a loose powder by Lakme. So here I am going to move on to my favorite part of the makeup, which is bronzing up my face. Here I am going to use a dark brown contour shade. I am going to bronze up my usual places. Now I am going to start up with my eye makeup. So today I haven't done my eyebrows on camera, which I have done off camera. I am going to start up with the brown shade in my crease line. I am going to blend it out with the fluffy brush. And I have mixed purple shade with that brown on my outer V, and now going to cut the crease with a light shade concealer with a small detailing flat concealer brush, and going to cut the crease from the inner part of my eyes to the mid lids. Now I'm going to place over a silver champagne white eyeshadow on the concealed part of my eyes, and now going to blend it out the outer V with a dark purple shade. Now I'm going to line my eyes with the liquid black eyeliner. I completely forgot to show you guys the clip. I have also applied a mascara on my eyes. So now I'm going to heading towards again my face. Here I'm going to quickly put up some blush on my cheeks. Now I'm going to start with my lips. So I have used a nude shade which I absolutely love. Now again I am going to move on my eyes. Here I am using a dark purple eyeshadow which I have used to cover up my lower lash lines. After this I am going to use a nude eyeliner on my waterline, and here comes all of us favorite part, the highlighter. Here I am going to use a champagne golden highlighter, the mixture of both on the usual places, the high points of my face, which is the bridge of the nose, my cheekbones, and here comes the complete final look. Hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.